Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two grooming essentials that are sure to keep you looking sharp. On the left, we have the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR, and on the right, we have the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Both the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR and the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills are priced at a reasonable $23. It seems like a fair deal for both, but let's see what else they bring to the table. When it comes to keeping your shaver clean and hygienic, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR takes the lead. Its alcohol-based cleaning solution provides optimal hygiene, ensuring a fresh and clean shave every day. Plus, it has a lemon-fresh formula that releases a refreshing scent. Who doesn't want their shaving experience to smell like a citrus paradise? Now, let's talk about durability. The Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills are made of high-quality stainless steel, making them extremely durable and safe. You won't have to worry about them breaking or rusting anytime soon. These blades are built to last, just like your impeccable style. Ease of use is crucial when it comes to grooming. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR is designed to work with any Clean&Charge unit, making it super convenient. Just pop in the cartridge and voila, your shaver is clean and ready to go. On the other hand, the FlexSeries Blade Refills are easy to replace. Simply change the head attachment on your razor and you're good to go. Easy peasy. Versatility is always a plus, isn't it? The Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills can be used for wet or dry shaving, with or without shaving cream. You have the freedom to choose how you want to groom. Whether you're in a rush or taking your time, these blades have got you covered. When it comes to a clean cut, the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills have a special design that collects and captures the cut hairs, making cleanup a breeze. No more messy sinks or countertops. These blades give you skin-close results with minimal mess. It's like having your own personal barber at home. Based on online reviews, customers highly recommend the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges for maintaining a bronze shaver in top condition. The cartridges have a refreshing scent and effectively clean and lubricate the shaver, enhancing its performance. On the other hand, customers are highly satisfied with the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills, praising its close shave and durability. Well, there you have it. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR and the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills both have their unique features. While the Braun cartridges provide excellent cleaning and hygiene, the FlexSeries blades offer durability and versatility. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal grooming preferences. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The product links are in the description. Until next time, stay sharp and stay smart.